Injongo zethu ezibalulekile lana. Let me start by into achieving. We have managed to ukuthola itoko as expiring, which is some of those products, they become poisonous to certain people when they come to buy. Si manage ukuthola ama-pets, of which lawo ma-pets are fake. Ngale ndlela okuchazwa ngayo ukuthi i-pets kumele libe njani, alifani naleli esilibonile. And then also masibheka kulawo ma-pets nokumele abe 9 mawabhalwe ngaphandle, ngaphakathi siwathola i8 lawo ma-pets. Le spaza lesi we are saying kuyomele sivale because it has failed the legal compliance in terms of health and safety. Then what is going to happen, we're going to put a person that is going to follow all the regulations in terms of owning a spaza. And then phandle kaloko masibheka i-section 15 ayibavumeli labantu laba ukuthi banga-own iphaza. I-section 15 of Immigration Act is state clearly, that goes in line with section 19, that when you want to own a business in our country such as spaza shop, you must be in a position of investing 10 million, which we doubt even these people have 10 million. And the worst scenario is that this person, when we went to him and asked him even what is he here for in our country, he's claiming that he doesn't know, because we asked him about, are you a refugee? He doesn't know. Why are you in the country? Country because back then mokunezimpi ngithi manje kunezimpi na akusena zimpi wangabuyele ekhaya kuyolungisa. It doesn't have answers for everything. It doesn't know our immigration laws, it doesn't know our constitution, it doesn't know the Refugee Act. So it's a problem. So therefore les spaza lesi we are also engaging the landlord to say if he's willing to own his spaza, we'll make necessary measures for him ukuthi athole istoko own ispaza. If angafuni, then we'll bring somebody also owner, then a continue nampatali rent.